Hello everyone, very nice to meet you in this way. My name is Jessica Wang. I'm the Residence Director of usac Shanghai program. I was introduced to usac by my graduate school professor in 2012. After that, I was so obsessed by this program and I just decided to devote my whole career into cross-cultural communication. Since then, it has been more than 7 years. My life was never separated with usac.
Shanghai is just incredible. It is an international city, very vibrant, very unique, very diverse and welcoming. People just love to live here. They call it the Magic City. It perfectly mixes the foreign elements into traditional Chinese culture. Shanghai is very convenient. It has an extensive public transportation system, largely based on buses and a rapidly expanding metro system. At the moment, we have 17 metro lines. Everything can be delivered directly to your door. The host university is Shanghai University. Students need to swipe their student cards to enter the campus, especially during the pandemic period. They need to get their temperature checked at the entrance of the gate and also at the front desk of the dormitory. The front desk service is 24-hour English speaking. Students will be arranged in Shanghai University International Students Dorm, which provides single-room occupancy. The dorm will provide sheet rotation service for free, 3 times a month. Shanghai program's specialty is Chinese language study and international business studies. We offer all different levels of intensive Chinese language courses, Chinese conversation, Chinese for business professionals. And we have many different cultural classes like history, Tai Chi, Chinese cooking, and calligraphy. We want students to gain a real-world work experience and insights of how business are running in China. The professors will invite guest speakers to the classroom or take students to field trips, to museums, exhibitions, supply chain factory, so on and so forth. These field trips can help students to gain realistic perspectives on expectation of working or doing business in China. We offer internships with credits, like teach English in nearby middle school for migrant workers' children. They help local kids to practice English in their extracurriculum conversation class. We collaborate with an NGO called Charity Link. They provide volunteering and internship opportunities for English speakers. For example, Heart to Heart is an NGO provides support and financial assistance to needy children who require heart surgery. Modern Aware is another NGO who helps breast cancer women to build confidence and find useful therapies. Our students can help them with marketing, organizing, fundraising, this type of jobs. Students usually can have local friends immediately after they arrive. We run a language exchange program with Shanghai University Student Club. Language partners help us with orientation. The meet and greet activity usually will be arranged 1 week after the program starts.
I think getting access to all the opportunities in Shanghai will have a huge impact for students' future career development. This is something I'm working for and getting ready for. A normal life is gradually coming back to normal. I hope a better situation can come back soon. I hope students can come back to Shanghai soon. Thanks for watching.